The term customer experience refers to how customers perceive the quality of their interactions with a business throughout the lifetime of their relationship. These interactions encompass all stages of the customer journey, from awareness through consideration and decision-making, purchase, and hopefully onto retention and advocacy. And it's not just digital interactions you need to be thinking about. The customer experience comprises all touchpoints with the company, both online across platforms and devices, and offline in physical stores and by phone. Crucially, customer experience describes the perspective of individual customers, how they feel as a result of their interactions with the company, whether that's the usability of the website, the tone and value of marketing and communications, or the quality of the products and services offered. So where does customer service fit in? Or customer care? Both of these are responsive actions carried out by the company as a way of improving the customer experience. Customer service relates to what happens every time a customer comes into direct contact with a company's employees, and it usually involves providing advice, answering questions, or assisting in any way to boost general customer satisfaction. Customer care takes these interactions a step further by building an emotional connection with customers, and it often involves going the extra mile to find a solution to their problems or needs. We can think of both customer care and customer service efforts coming together to help to shape the overall customer experience.